Hey everyone, this is Alex for PolymomoTea, and today I have another installment of my BT21 series, and today I have the masked dancing pony named MANG, or Ming. So I'm taking a ball of blue clay and I'm going to press it into a cylinder shape, and here I just have the back end of a Sharpie, and I'm pressing it in so it has that mask shape to it, and I'm going to pinch it to kind of look like a golf club. To make sure I have a neck for my masked pony, I'm pulling down the clay towards the end of the pen. And using my blade, I'm going to cut off excess clay from the neck. Finally, I'm going to slowly remove the Sharpie pen off my mask, and you should have something that looks like this. For the body, I'm taking some light purple clay and I'm going to roll it into a cylinder shape and cut off the excess. And then the purple cylinder is going to be placed inside the hole of the mask. For the arms and legs, we're going to roll the same purple clay into thinner cylinders and cut it. For the little fur tufts on the mask, we're going to flatten some purple clay into a circle and cut in half. And using your blade, you want to make an indent in the middle. And you want to place it towards the back of the mask, making sure it gets smaller as it gets further back. The mask has a little pink heart for a nose, so we're going to flatten out a pink triangle and make an indent with our blade and flatten it out. And place it onto the mask. For the ears, taking some blue clay, we're going to pinch it into a teardrop shape and cut off the end and place it on both sides of the mask. Now there's a strange tail thing towards the end of the mane of the mask, so I'm taking a teardrop shape of purple clay and blending it with a snake of clay, and I'm pressing that against the bottom of the mask. For the eye, this might be a little bit tricky, so we're going to take a flattened circle of black clay and place a smaller flattened circle of white clay on top. And in the middle of that, we're going to add another black piece of clay and flatten that as well. So you have 3 concentric circles. And place those eyes between the nose and the ear. Closer to the ears though. On the heart nose, we're going to add 2 little black snakes of clay in a V shape and to signify nostrils. And once complete, you want to bake according to instructions, and you should have a masked dancing pony that looks like this. And this is the character Mang, or Mang. I'm not sure how to pronounce it exactly, but it's one of those two. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my other BT21 series. Thank you!